In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the Shokz Companion App on your Android phone. Now, if you are able to, you should be able to just open up the Google Play Store, use the search function and just type in the word Shokz app, and you should be able to see it in the list of search results. Do ensure that when you do select the app that it is from the company Shokz itself and not any other company that is just using the brand label. Now, if you don't find the app, it means it's not available in your region. Luckily enough, there is a way you can still be able to get the app even if it's region locked. So to do that, what you're going to do, simply open up your favorite browsing app and you're just going to type in the word Shokz APK download. Now, there's different ways of downloading APK files, so you just need to ensure that you go ahead and select something that you trust. Now, for me, I selected Aptoid, like so, and from here, I just installed the app so that I can be able to download the app directly from this app store. Alternatively, you can choose to just download the file by itself. So it's up to you to decide how you're going to install your APK file. Now, once you do that, you're just going to go ahead and just say, for example, if you've chosen this method, it's just to search for the Shokz app, like so. You should be able to see it in the search results, and you can even tell it's the official Shokz app because it has this specific logo. So what you're going to do is simply select install and confirm that you wish to download it onto your phone. You may need to give necessary permissions, so go ahead and do so. And once it's done, you should be able to now use the app on your phone. So give the necessary permissions when prompted, and then select install, confirm, and wait for it to be downloaded onto your phone. Once it's been downloaded, you can tap on open to launch it, or you can navigate to your home screen or apps drawer, look for the app from there and select it. Now from here, you just need to go through the process of setting it up, such as agreeing to the privacy notice, selecting the language that you currently want to use the app in, then selecting confirm. Then if you have an account, you can choose to log in. If you have a product that you wish to register under your name, you can choose to register, or you can skip and choose to do all of that later. Give the app access to your Bluetooth settings, so you can go ahead and do so. And now it will start looking for any available Shokz product that it can connect to. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.